Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be felling 3 trees. One of the trees grew up in front of the house and on the right of way where the power lines are. So over the years, the power company kept trimming all of the branches on one side of the tree, leaving the opposite side to mature. And what happened is the owners in the past, they didn't mind because it cast shadow, but it also damaged the metal roof and it damaged the joists and a rafter. Today we'll be removing all 3 of those trees. So let's get started.
Looks like we're making some progress. Wish us luck. Guys, I'll hang in there as long as I can, but once that thing starts moving, I'm running. I don't think this one's the hardest one. Oh, he's almost through, man. It's going, I'm leaving. Yeah! Go! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! All right! Literally right in front of me. Like, I could literally touch this tree out this window. Apparently, these guys are good. So what I don't want is to buck and like punch out under the foundation. But these guys are good. Lord, please bless him. My exit strategy is I'm running right for the door when this thing starts to fall. going exactly where he wants it to go. It's opening, yeah.
You're there.
It's moving! Here we go! Lord. Yeah! Woo! Timber, baby! Yeah! All right, guys, we're kind of on the last couple of minutes here with this dang tree eating a hole in the house. So the crew's here and they are just about ready to take their last swing at this tree. The other two already fell on the ground where they should be, right? So this is the County Line Tree Service, guys. I'm telling you, man, oh man, they're fast. Like, I don't think they've been here an hour. I already got 2 trees on the ground, bro. Seriously. This is crazy. These guys are great. You're at a safe distance when this bad boy falls. That's a tall one, I tell you what. There's just something so invigorating and exciting to see this tree gone, because this tree has been basically the flying the ointment kind of thing to the entire project, because the tree was supposed to be on an easement that the power company owned, but they came out and they're like, no, your grandfather did. The whole time I was like, oh, we're gonna take off the front half of the cabin, you know, make room for the power lines and whatnot, but no, they're like, no, you're fine and it's your responsibility to take this tree down. So I was like, you know what, not a problem, I'll find someone to do it. And the county line, oh my goodness gracious. starting to go. Here we go. There we go. Yeah. Oh, if that thing turns, I hope the power line can hold it up. Oh man, there's timber! Yeah! Oh! Oh!
All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.